You join us in the sought-after village of Bishops Itchington. Behind us, we have this impressive 5 double-bedroom family home.
Outside, we've got private gated parking for several vehicles, a triple garage, and above, an excellent annex.
We're James and Nicky from Fine & Country, and let's go take a look. You join us in the lovely rear garden, which benefits from an amazing, fully insulated garden room.
I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you'd like more information, please contact us on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.